Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today, that is 26th of March, the day is Saturday. I will be coming up live onto my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science in the night 10 p.m. So I would again repeat, today only at the night 10 p.m. I'll be coming up live. Now what are we going to do up right away into this particular live stream? So we'll be making up some cool Python projects that you can actually add up into your resumes, showcase up into their resumes, and with the help of that particular projects only, I would also be telling you how you can add up some more features and make up some more enhancements into that project so that your project will be the different one from the rest of the people. So this is what we are going to discuss in the live stream. So bookmark your calendar for today, that is 26th of March. The day is Saturday, 10 p.m. in the night. So see you there in a live stream.